If you look at most beginner trading screens, you will see a chaotic web of overlapping indicators and neon lines. But a perfectly executed Fibonacci retracement setup strips all that away, leaving you with a single, highly readable geometric path. By the end of this breakdown, you will know exactly how to configure, draw, and execute this strategy to pinpoint precise market entries and exits. You do not need expensive software to do this. As long as you have a standard charting platform and a basic understanding of market trends, you can build this setup right now. Removing visual clutter forces you to rely on a strict mathematical framework. Instead of guessing where the price might bounce, you wait for the market to come to your predefined levels. This is the standard Fibonacci settings menu, and step 1 is turning off the noise. Uncheck every box except 0.382, 0.5, and 0.618, and turn the background opacity completely off. Instead of confusing zones, you now have 3 distinct, actionable lines to guide your decisions. With the tool configured, we have to align it with the market. This strategy has a strict requirement. The price must be moving in a clear directional trend. Look at this upward price wave. To measure it, we need 2 specific anchor points. The structural origin of the move is our swing low, and the absolute peak is our swing high. The fastest way to lose money is attempting to use this in a sideways, ranging market. Without a clear trend, these rules do not apply. Filtering out flat markets and restricting your tool's outputs eliminates false signals. You isolate only the highest probability environments to deploy your capital. To apply the blueprint to an uptrend, click the swing low at the bottom and drag the grid straight up to lock on to the swing high wick. If the market is in a downtrend, you do the exact inverse. Start at the top, swing high, and drag the tool down to the bottom, swing low. Once drawn, our focus shifts to the area between the 0.5 and 0.618 lines. This specific target zone is known as the golden ratio. When an asset's price corrects by 50 to 60% of its recent move, it hits a psychological sweet spot. Buyers who missed the initial run see this as a structural discount, making the zone a magnet for large institutional volume. But a price simply touching this discount zone is never enough. Buying blindly is a trap. You must see a confirmation candlestick, like this bullish hammer, formed directly inside the golden ratio zone. Pairing the mathematical price discount of the retracement levels with the behavioral proof of a confirmation candle creates a massive statistical edge. Now we map the trade. Your entry trigger happens strictly at the close of that confirmation candlestick. Next, you establish your protection. Your stop loss goes right here, tucked just below the absolute bottom tip of the hammer's wick. For your profit target, you aim for a return to the recent swing high, extending your upside. Look at the visual imbalance between the small red risk zone and large green reward zone. This mathematically maps your risk-to-reward ratio, proving the trade is viable before you risk any money. Professional trading is about mapping calculated asymmetric risk. By defining these parameters upfront, you ensure your account survives even if the market moves unpredictably. Watch this time-lapse as price action plays out. The market respects the analysis, climbs through the green zone, and strikes the take-profit boundary. You have moved from staring at messy, undefined charts to executing a calculated, high-probability blueprint. To make this work, repeat the core sequence. Clean your tool's settings, isolate a clear trend, wait for the golden ratio, demand candlestick confirmation, and strictly map your risk. Your next step is to open your charting software, pull up historical data, and practice drawing these levels from swing low to swing high to train your pattern recognition. Long-term profitability is never found in chasing random market noise. It comes from systematically repeating a verified, cleanly executed mathematical edge.